Bustine di prosciutto di Parma e grana. Another little nibble, prosciutto purses. And it's so easy. You know, these are the prosciutto purses. I know they look a little complicated, but I'll show you how. Just a few movements and you got them done. The first thing that you need something to tie these purses. And this is chives. Chives, just plunge in hot water and you bring them out and you dry them like that and you're ready to go. Prosciutto, get a nice long slice of prosciutto because, or if you get the smaller one, all you need is about half. If you get the smaller ones, then you don't need to cut it. But this one, just let's cut it in half like that, and we'll get 2 purses out of this. A little bit of grated grana, not too much, just a little bit. And you collect it around and you make a little purse. Just like that. And you kind of give it a little press down, the prosciutto will hold. And then you tie it with the chive string, just like that. Nice tight, give it a double tie. Okay. And we can cut this off just like that. Spread it out a little bit so it looks nice. Okay, here is another one. Let's do this one. So this is a little, you see a little bit of kind of prosciutto has ripped. But okay, let's patch it up like that. And let's push it together just like that, you see? So don't panic if your prosciutto rips a little bit, just push it together. And this is just about a mouthful. So when you bring them out and they're still warm, let's put low heat. And you don't want the butter to be super hot, just slightly. There we go. And a nice platter so you can pass it around. I would do a little bit of figs on one side, just like that. Prosciutto and figs go deliciously together. Okay, maybe like that, like that. Another one like that, a whole one, half. Melon. Yeah, sure, prosciutto and melon go. Maybe let me put that on the other side. So we have a nice mixture, just like that. And I'm looking at the prosciutto. I'm just gonna shut it off because it's done already. Let's just take a little paper towel here and just dab it like that. And you see how nice and crunchy it is underneath? And you just put it on to be served. The cheese inside melts just a little bit, just a nice little crust of prosciutto underneath. How delicious is that? All right. And the aroma is delicious. Okay. One more. Okay. So, you see how easy that is? You know what I'll do? Let's do it this way. Figs. We have some delicious prosciutto here. So let's just make also a plate of prosciutto. If you have any prosciutto left, just make it kind of like a nice little flower. There we go, prosciutto and figs and melon. And this looks like a celebration, a party Italian style, quick, easy, and delicious. This you can butler around or you can put it on a buffet table. And as you can see, it's easy. You can make trays and upon trays, but it's best when it's kind of a little bit warm. So frying it in advance is not such a good idea. So I think I'm ready for this party. And do you want to join me? On the side, this is a little Refosco Rosé, and this is from the Refosco varietal in Friuli, and it's delicious. And it goes really good with this nice acidity. So I think I'm just gonna taste one because I'm inviting you. Come with me. Let's have a party. One like this. The whole thing goes right in my mouth. Molto buono. So, I'm inviting you. There's enough. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Come.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.